This is a set of instructions to go through how to solve these problems of density using these 4 steps for each problem. So let's take a look at question number 1. It's asking, what is the density of diamond in grams per cubic centimeter if a 0.709 gram sample has a volume of 0.202 milliliters? So, step 1, we are going to list the knowns and the unknowns for the problems with units. So, in the problem, we have 0.709 grams. We have 0.202 milliliters. And it says in here, what is the density? Since it says what is the density, we know that D is going to be equal to some question mark, and that's what we're trying to solve for. All right, so going through this, we also have to figure out with the knowns and the unknowns, is this 0.709 grams a volume, a time, a temperature? What is it? So we do need to label it. Based on the problem, we know that the volume, or V, is 0.202 milliliters. And that would leave us with mass for the 0.709 grams. So step 1 is complete. We've listed the knowns and the unknowns for the problem. Step 2, we're going to write the equation, which is m is equal to d times v. And we need to solve this symbolically for the variable that we want to get an answer for. Density is what we're looking for, so we're trying to solve for d. We're going to get d by itself. To get d by itself, we're going to divide both sides by volume. The volume will cancel on this side, so that now gives us d by itself, and mass divided by volume is the equation we're going to work with. Step 3. Substitute the known values into the equation. So D will be equal to 0.709 grams divided by, well, then we have to put the mass on the bottom. It's going to be 0.202 milliliters. We have substituted. So that's step 3. Step 4, solve and give the answer with units and significant figures. For right now, we're not going to worry too much about the significant figures, but if you were to go into your calculator and type in 0.709 grams and divide it by 0.202 milliliters, you would get an answer of 3.51 grams per milliliter. One of the things that should have been mentioned on this sheet is that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. So that means that my answer that I have here is actually the same in centimeters cubed, so 3.51 grams per cc. The next video will be given to answer problem number 3. I recommend strongly that you watch it because I'm going to show you a trick with units that you will need to be able to solve other problems effectively.